This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fix your Honda Civic key fob. First, let's address common issues like your fob not responding. Often, the fix is a simple battery replacement. Carefully open your key fob casing, usually with a small flathead screwdriver. Once open, remove the old battery. Most Honda Civic key fobs use a CR1616 battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring correct polarity, and then snap the casing back together. This often resolves most non-responsive key fob problems quickly and easily. Sometimes, after a battery change, your key fob might need reprogramming. This process is straightforward. Get into your car, close all doors, and insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then quickly turn it off. Repeat this 4 times within 10 seconds. On the 4th turn, leave it in the on position. Press any button on your key fob. The doors should lock and unlock, confirming successful reprogramming. Test all functions to ensure everything works correctly. If your key fob still isn't working, let's troubleshoot further. Double-check that the new battery is inserted correctly with the positive side facing up. Ensure all internal components are securely connected and free from debris. Inspect the circuit board for any signs of corrosion or physical damage. Sometimes, a small amount of moisture can cause issues. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it might indicate a more complex internal fault, and professional assistance could be the best next step. To extend your key fob's life, protect it from environmental damage. Avoid exposing it to water, extreme heat, or direct sunlight for prolonged periods. These elements can significantly shorten its lifespan and damage internal electronics. Always keep your spare key fob in a safe, dry place, ready for when you need it. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preventing future issues. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check out the description below. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.